Karnataka now, where the Karnataka Primary Education Minister has now said that the state is yet to decide on exams and all stakeholders will be considered before taking any decision at this point. This after that major decision that has been taken on the CBSE examinations, where class 12 exams that have been postponed, and class 10 exams that have been cancelled on account of the COVID cases surge. Now, the latest coming in from the state of Karnataka, where the Karnataka Primary Education Minister has now stated that the state is yet to decide on examinations and all stakeholders will be considered about the same. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Sagai Raj, also joining us live. Sagai Raj, over to you. After that crucial decision that has been taken by the CBSE, take us through what is being considered by the Karnataka Primary Education Minister as well.
Karnataka Primary Education Minister Suresh Kumar have given a statement stating that so far they have not taken any decision on the lines of cancellation of CBSE examination with the SSLC examination, that is the state board examination for the 10th standard, and probably they will call for a meeting and discuss, and post that they will be taking a call on that. Remember, they had made an announcement in the month of January that there will be an examination for 10th standard from June 14th to June 25th, and there were also tentative timetable which was issued in the month of January for students to prepare themselves and get ready in the month of June to write the exam of 10th. Now, after the decision of Union Education Minister, the Primary Education Minister in Karnataka has said that the decision has not been taken, and probably they will have a meeting with the experts of the department and with the other minister, and they will take a call on conducting the examination. Remember, even last year they had conducted the examination. That was an offline examination. Post that, there were few students who were tested positive for COVID, and there were students who were infected with COVID and also attended the exam and written their exam. This time they have to take a decision on this, and probably after this particular decision of Union Minister and Prime Minister, probably Karnataka government will call for an emergency meeting and consult about this particular decision on SSLC examination here in Karnataka. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Sagai Raj, for getting us that breaking update. Meanwhile, we'll also listen into what the Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has to state. And meanwhile, the Education Minister will also be meeting all the state ministers tomorrow, and they will certainly be pushing for a uniform policy on examinations as well.